In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your standing hip flexion in an explosive and dynamic manner. So what I want to firstly cover is hip flexion is bringing the knee up. So in this position, so when we bring the knee up towards the top of the body, we are going into hip flexion. So firstly, I want you to decide which leg that you're going to work your hip flexion on. So I'm going to use my right leg. And then from here, that means that I'm then going to be balancing on my left leg. So my left leg is going to stay in contact with the floor. My right knee is going to come up towards the ceiling. Now, because my right knee is doing that, my opposite arm is going to come up before I start the exercise. My feet are just narrower than hip width apart and they're both facing forwards. And from here, I'm going to bring the knee up and back down. Now, that is the start progression. If you then want to make it a little bit more explosive, as you come up, you're going to do that quicker, and you're also going to do a calf raise on your left side. So my left foot that was just in contact with the floor then is now going to come up into a calf raise. So let me show you. Left hand's up, straight up, back down. Left hand stays up, straight up, back down. We can make it as quick and as explosive as you want. And then the quicker and more explosive you do it, the more single leg stability you're going to be requiring on that left leg or the leg that you're using to stabilize. That's how to work your dynamic and explosive hip flexion in a standing position.